Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have 4 of my favorite winter coats from the season and outfits that I like to style with them. If you like to see what I've got, continue watching. Alright, so first up is this hooded parka from J.Crew. It has a faux fur hood and a zipper all the way down with 2 pockets, and it is in a gorgeous color red. I've just been loving the color red a lot these days, and this is something I pulled back out of my closet. I've had this for about 2 years now, and it's always a really good staple in my winter closet. J.Crew does bring this style back every season, and it comes in so many different colors, and I think it's really fun coat to have to pair with a casual outfit. So for my red parka here, I love pairing it with just about everything, but my favorite way to do it is to play on the red color. So I love wearing it with this plaid scarf I have, and the red really plays well with each other. Play on the winter theme, I have this Fair Isle sweater, and I am going to put that together with a really nice winter texture. It's a faux suede at bottom here. And to tie the entire outfit together, I love to bring out my red hunter boots. These are my favorite ways to get around in the city, especially when it's really wet or slushy outside. And I just think it makes for a really playful outfit. So let's move on to the next coat. It's actually one of my favorite purchases of the entire season. And it is this pink fuzzy boucle double-breasted coat from Topshop. And I don't know, I just love wearing it. It's so freaking cozy. It's like wearing a blanket out every day. So the first time I wanted to buy this, it was sold out in my size. So I kept checking back until it restocked, and I immediately purchased it. And it's one of my best purchases ever. If you're thinking about getting this, I would definitely size down. It does run a little large, but absolutely my favorite coat of all season. You're gonna notice I love coordinating colors with my coats, and for the first outfit here, I love wearing it with this dress. I love the little pops of pink that really goes well with the pink in this coat. And then for a scarf, I do something really neutral, like this white blanket scarf here, so it doesn't really grab attention too much. I love finishing off the look with over-the-knee boots, and I have the black one here, and these are from Steve Madden, and they are a basic block heel here. And sometimes when I want to dress up a little more, I do like wearing it with this pair of over-the-knee boots as well. These are ungray, and it has a dressier heel. And because I love this coat so much, I am going to give it a second outfit. So I just got this turtleneck from Zara, and I think it works really well with this coat as well. It's a very basic turtleneck and lightweight sweater, but my favorite thing about this is the pearl on the sleeves. I think it just adds a little something to a otherwise casual outfit. And to pair with this is my new favorite skirt. I went with this plaid skirt with button-down details and a ruffle detail at the waist. To finish the look, I like to wear these black sock booties and a pair of black tights, so it's one seamless look on your legs. And these shoes have basically been my go-to shoes for everything. Alright, so let's move on to coat number 3. It is your classic camel coat. This one's very menswear inspired, but you can't go wrong with having a camel coat in your closet. So for this outfit, I wanted to work with the camel color and started with this skirt. It is another button-down plaid with a zipper detail this time, and also the ruffle waist. I think it's really cute, and I think the colors are really cohesive with the camel. And for my top, I decided to dress down a little bit because the coat is such a formal cut, and I went with this slogan tee. It just says J'adore, and I think it's really cute together. The red in the tee goes really well with the red details in the skirt, and I thought that was a really cute look. I wore it with these black over-the-knee boots again to really ground the look, and to finish it with the red details, I went with this cute little bucket bag. And if you wanted to be a little extra, you can finish it with a pair of red tassel earrings. I've just personally been loving the color red, so I like to wear it whenever I can. Last but not least, I have the Aviator. So this coat has been trending for a while, and I finally got my hands on it this season. This one has an asymmetrical zip, roll-up sleeves, and the signature belting at the bottom. So this is the edgiest of all my winter coats this season, and I wear it a lot. Yeah, I wear this all the time. It's my city coat. It's the winter version of a leather jacket, and you just toss this over anything. So the New York uniform is all black, so I wanted to play off of that and start with a faux leather skirt with a zipper detail with a shiny metal button here. So I like to rewear things a lot, and I am putting it with this black overnight boot. I wanted to break up the black a little because my hair is really dark, but I wanted to maintain the monotone essence of the look. So I went with this gray sweater tucked into the skirt. Still part of the color family, but you don't lose the different pieces of the outfit where the blacks just blending into each other. So that's it. If you watch all the way to the end, thank you so much for watching. If I can find links to everything, it will be linked in the info box below. I am aiming for a video a week, working towards 2 videos a week now. So I would love it if you would hit the subscribe button and like this video. And with spring and summer around the corner, there's going to be a lot of exciting things happening. So I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!